Hey guys, I had to stop for some serious bladder control, and I figured while I did, since I actually don't have time to do what I'm doing anyway, well, that's not true, I do have time, but I also want to get home at a decent time. So, I'm making mistakes today on my dietary consumption, and I'm in a hurry. Don't show mama. By mama, I'm at Sweet Pea. And see what other kind of quick mistakes we can make, because we actually do have healthier stuff in the truck, but oh, they don't have nothing over here. Oh man, always when you're in a hurry, this is what makes the mistakes even worse. So this is what we're gonna do. Stick the soda up on top. You're gonna find a box. There's your little box right there. And you're gonna be all kinds of dizzy by the time I get done here. What are we gonna do? Alright, well that guy certainly wasn't in a hurry. And this is where we make our mistakes, right here. Being in a hurry. Saw something neat outside. Getting that camera way too close. This place is way too busy. I got that soda right there. Thank you. This place is way too busy. I'm trying to get outside quick too. There's a super sleeper outside that Sweet Pea and I actually seen before. I think we were in Indiana. I'm not 100% sure on that one. But yeah, he's still out there. Now I'm waiting in line. Come on, go. A couple more trucks, maybe you can see it from here. I'll tell you what I got in the truck after I get out of the line up here. Howdy do. Multitasking poorly. Which side do I got my wallet on? There we go. We're not going to worry about the left guard right now. You know who Bartles and James is? You know who Bartles and James is? Yeah. Really? Old commercials, they always used to sell wine coolers and say, "We thank you for your support." You don't remember that? Well, that's just no fun. I was going to have you close out my video for me. Thank you for our support. You too. How can anybody not know what Bartles and James is? You know? Hey, you. This place is extremely busy. Holy cow. I just wanted to come in here with bladder control, grab a hot dog and a soda and get the heck out of here. Have a good one. You too. Whew. I'm going to walk down the front of that. Oh yeah, you'll be able to see it now. It's the exact same truck. I'm going to try and do this. It's a red Southern flag one. You'll see it in a second. There you go. Look at the size of that bugger. I'll do it. You really can't get the whole thing in there all at once. It's just too big. He's got a motorcycle shed on the back of it. Hey guys, we actually met you once up in Indiana. We actually met you guys once up there in Indiana.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think you were sleeping.
Oh, okay.
He told us truck was for sale and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
But it's just thought it was neat catching you twice. Have a good one. Be safe. Anyway, don't really have time for a real conversation. Well, like I said, that's not entirely true, but I don't want to be out extremely late either. So, I am hightailing it back to the truck so that I can get out of this chaotic parking lot the back way. And eat my junk food here, which you may not be able to see. Hey, look at that. I got a bottle of soda pop, which I really know I shouldn't get. But when you're in a hurry, that's when your plan falls apart. The dietary plan falls apart. But today, that's going to have to work for me. And we're in the sleeper truck again. White one right there. As long as I don't trip over my own feet and get over there. So, without further ado, you see my chin? Man, I'm upset about that. My goatee I'm talking about. I grabbed a number 4. I was going to trim it up because it was getting long. Kind of scraggly. And I grabbed a number 4 because it got a little wrong. Rakes on it and everything else. I'm like, this will be perfect. It wasn't. It cut it too short. My wife likes it this way. I don't. I was getting happy with the other way. But guys, I really got to go. So this works for me for now, sort of. Whatever. It's just gonna have to work. We'll talk to you later. Bye.